guys, welcome back to Misadventures of Jason. Today we are doing some bluegill fishing again, but super simple setup, and I can even do this one-handed. Pretty cool. Show you what the setup looks like here. Alright, so I've got my bobber. I'm at my little bluegill pond again, and I cut off just the tail. It would stop moving. Cut off the tail of a swim bait, a little white guy, and you can see I've got a bit of line here, so I'm not even going to cast per se. I'm just going to drop it out there, let the bluegill take it. Oh, and there we go. Bada bing, just like that. All I'm doing is just lifting up nice and light on the rod tip here. Camera, because it's impossible to unhook these things one-handed. It's like taking candy from a baby. Let's see that again. Drop it out. Come on, fishy, take it. Alright, oop, missed that one. Ooh, that one spit it out. I don't know if you can see these fish or not. Come on. Caught like 4 in a row before I turned on the camera, and now I'm not catching anything. Go figure. Oh, wait, there we go. Oh, see ya. Put it right back out there. Oop. This is fun. Ooh, thought I had one there. Do I have this hook on right? Yep. Floppy little bugger. Fun to do a one-handed fishing here. Put it out there. They're pretty fish. Very pretty fish. Let's do it again. Gotcha. That last one, a little unhappy. He peed all over the place. Gotcha. I've lost count. That's okay. So, catching the little bluegill one-handed, completely successful, but I agree, it does get boring after a while. Catch, release, catch, release, catch, release, catch, release. Anyways, hope you've enjoyed this short little clip of complete annihilation of bluegill. I don't know how many I caught, 100, 200, no idea. A lot of fun though. So, have a good one. Tight lines, everybody.